Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential guide on how to allow only your friends to see your story on Messenger. If you've ever wanted to share memories or moments without broadcasting them to everyone, you're in the right place. With just a few simple steps, you can ensure that your stories are shared exclusively with your friends. So, let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Messenger app. Once you're in, you'll want to look for the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines located at the top left of your screen. Go ahead and tap on that. The next step is to access the app's settings. To do this, simply tap on the gear icon, which you'll find a bit further down the menu. A new screen will open up, showing you various settings you can customize. Now, you need to find the privacy and safety option. Tap on that to dive deeper into your privacy settings. Once you're in, scroll down until you see Story Control. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to tap on Story Control to reveal your options. Here, you can choose who gets to see your stories. For your needs, select Friends Only. This ensures that only your friends on Messenger will be able to view your stories. Finally, don't forget to save your settings to make sure everything is updated. Look to the top right of the screen and tap Save. And just like that, you've successfully restricted your stories to just your friends. Thanks for tuning in. Now you can share your moments confidently, knowing that only your friends will get to see them.